Stem cell therapy is revolutionizing regenerative medicine, offering new hope for conditions once thought to be untreatable. But with great promise comes an essential question: is it safe? At responsible clinics like Viezec, patient safety is at the heart of every step, from detailed evaluations to precise delivery. It begins with a comprehensive checkup, where your medical history, immune system, and internal imaging all inform the therapy plan. Then comes informed consent. You're told exactly what to expect: benefits, risks, and outcomes, so you can make a confident decision. Stem cells are either taken from your own body or ethically sourced from donors, and always tested in GMP-certified labs for purity and safety. The cells are delivered precisely, using image-guided tools to ensure they reach the right spot, safely and effectively. After treatment, you're monitored closely. Emergency equipment and trained professionals are always ready, just in case. Stem cell therapy can be life-changing, but only when safety comes first. At Viezec, science, safety, and trust go hand in hand.